Let's go, boss up, baby. We back with another one. And guess what? I got a new app. Yes, a new gig app to help you guys make some money in 2025. And no one on YouTube is talking about it. We're here first to bring you, and we are in pre-launch phase of this gig app, food delivery app. You know how quickly these things get oversaturated. So go ahead, sign up, get on the list, reach out, make sure you're the first in your market to start making money. And we're going to see what this app about. And it has like a new twist on gig apps and delivery. So we're going to see if this is going to be a new trend or possibly something that this company does and may fail at. So without, also I got a bonus company to bring you guys at the end of this video as well. So stick to the end. But without further ado, let's get into the new gig app that you guys have never seen before. And it is. It is called Food Loop. Food Loop. Yes, not fruits loops, but food loops. So basically, grabbing food, going in the loop, grabbing some more food, dropping it off, going back. May not be going to the same restaurant, but only certain restaurants are signed up at this time. So at the beginning phase, it's probably be more of the same restaurants. But here is the website. Let's get into it. Feed your hungry, consume differently. So redefining food delivery, food loop. We believe in delivery more than just delicious meals. Community first. Download app. You can eat, or you can become a driver, or you become a partner. So if you're a restaurant owner, you're bossing up, got your ghost kitchen, might be a good little opportunity for you. Not only can you make money, driving and stuff, you got an entrepreneurial spirit in you. You got a clean kitchen or clean restaurant business. Go ahead and sign up. But most of you guys are here to figure out how we can drive for them. So let's go ahead and see this. Let me go back down. Yeah, all right. So become a driver. Let's go to the top. Drivers. And you see the estimated launch date is January 29th. So less than 30 days. Look at this guy. He don't even have a car. And he on a scooter, like he rented a scooter and made some money. Look at that. No excuses out here. No modes of transportation. And the guy's still out here getting to it. The food loop revolution, where other apps take food loops, earn more. So this is the interesting model that I was talking about here. So Food Loops actually uses a subscription model even for its drivers. So Food Loop drivers keep every cent on the tip and delivery fee. No commissions, no cuts. That's right. Every dollar you earn, you keep. This is approach enables drivers to earn an average of 40% more from other apps. So you say, what's the catch? I get all of the tips, all the commission. They don't want no cut. What's the deal with that? Well, the deal is you have to pay a subscription to be a part of this program or to be a driver. So let's see how much the subscription is. Easy to sign up. Competitors, Food Loop making about $12,000 a month. If you drive 10 hours a week, I got a little calculator. Let's calculate it real quick. So if you move your hours up, 14 hours, work a full pay, you're making $5,000 a month. It's not bad. So here's the plans. $9.99 a month. First 2 months free, canceling time. So what I do advise everybody go ahead and sign up to do the 2 free months. Cancel out, possibly, if it's not a good fit. If it is a good fit, then stay on. I mean, you see the potential earnings. competitors, Uber Eats, DoorDash. They're saying you average this a year and a month. And with Food Loop, it's almost 10, 20% more than that. It's crazy. All right, so choose your path, $9.99, get started, real cheap, unlimited orders, access, drive your own car, quick payouts. And remember, you get 100% of the tips, 100% of all the payout using this model. So it's not bad. It's something new. Pay to be a gig driver. You're using your insurance, your car, your wear and tear, your time, your body, clothes, shoes, So I get it. You taking most of the risk. Why do you want to pay? Like, well, who wants to pay after taking 100% of the risk in the business? Well, the deal is you get paid more profits. So they're not taking any cuts. Other companies, you got to drive your own car, all this stuff, and they're taking 20, 30% of the profit and a little bit of your tips. We've seen games that DoorDash and Uber Eats are playing where they lower the tip amounts or don't give you the full amount of the trip fee or don't give you the fee if you do get a big tip. So it's a lot of games being played with Uber Eats and DoorDash these days. We all know them. We've seen them. We talked about them. They're all online. But with the $9.99 monthly fee, you get 100% of your money. All right. So that's the deal with Fruit Loop. Food Loop. I was going to say Fruit Loop. This guy right here. Not saying he's a Fruit Loop, but he looks a little funny. And then what does the Fruit Loop offer his drivers? You got quality. You got some questions. Can I set my own schedule? Absolutely. Delivery zones based on location and the restaurant. So that's another thing. Since it's a new company and the restaurants they're picking could be far apart, that could be an issue at first until they onboard more drivers. But there are so many food apps. Like how you go into the restaurant, you can see 2 or 3, 4 or 5 different tablets all come from different food apps. So it got to be a system that all the apps streamline into one little tablet or something, man. This is crazy. Having 4 or 5 different food apps or delivery apps. If you're a restaurant, I know that can get kind of crazy. But for you drivers, yeah, just come to Food Loop, drivers, sign up, and here's the restaurant session. So everybody needs to have all the information in before the 29th. Before the 29th. No, they ask for name, phone number, preferred language. Now, I do not know. If they have any, restrictions as far as how old your vehicle has to be, the size of your vehicle. You're delivering food, so I imagine it's a small car. Not sure they have the limit of your age, how old you got to be to start this. So as I get more information, I put my hat in, I signed up. I'm trying to see what it's about. So as I get more information, I'll let you know. Think about driver bonuses. Okay. I got information about the bonuses. Let's see. Let's see if we can find any more information before we hop off this. Oh, here's the thing. So our subscription will raise to $19.99. They didn't see this. Their subscription is going to raise to $19.99. So go ahead, get locked in for life at the $9.99 price. There's been countless other apps when I started this back in 2021 and doing Uber back in 2017, 2018, where if you start a program or start on the app first, you get better price and more pay. And then for this instance, you get locked in at a lower price first. So don't delay. This video probably going to get 10, 20,000 views over the next couple of months. So you want to be the first person to hop on this. And then you about to see a bunch of other YouTubers talk about this app. In particular, a bald-headed YouTuber with a Caribbean accent is going to do this video next. Just watch. All right. So that's that. Now here's the bonus video for you sticking around to the end of this video. Boom, Statham Logistics. Statham Logistics does have opportunities all over the country. This is more for larger vehicles, box trucks, minivans, SUVs, but they are hiring some smaller routes for cars as well. Drive your own vehicle. Car can't be no more than 10 years old, so this company does share their vehicle requirements. This is different. This is different from Food Loop. This is a whole different company, all right? And then you see the opportunities: Kansas, Missouri, Florida, Iowa, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Minnesota, Alabama. I've hardly ever seen anything in Alabama. Of course, they advertise on Indeed. I'm telling you guys can find a lot of loads, a lot of work on Indeed, just searching it. These people are not hiding. They want drivers, they want people, they want 1099 contractors instead of full-time employees, because it's cheaper on them and you maintain all the risk. And if you are 1099, make sure you have your LLC form, or you can even put your own name as a sole proprietor and run your business that way. You don't even have to go to the state and do all this stuff. You can list yourself as a sole proprietorship and run a 1099 business that way. But I'm not a tax professional. Consult a tax professional to get the details on that. But I know that's how I started a while back, doing it as a sole proprietorship before I actually formed my actual LLC. All right. Until next time, we go. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Then hit it again. And hit the share button. And then go back and watch some old videos. And then go on my credit channel, Credit K, and watch some of those videos. And then hit me up on Instagram or TikTok at Credit K, because I'm on there as well. And, book a consultation, buy my ebook, all that good stuff. All right.